up, y'all, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Style Events. Y'all, I'm super excited to bring this video to y'all. It's very cute. I love it. Very simple, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, we are going to be doing 2 designs on a Gable box. Now, usually I will make my Gable box with my Cricut machine, but yeah, I've been getting orders for this box. It's simple, it's cute, people will love it. So I decided, you know what, it's best if I just purchase them Gable boxes from Amazon, save me time. All I got to do is the design. All right, Valentine's Day is coming up. So the next couple of videos that I'm going to be dropping are going to be about Valentine's Day, okay? Things that you can make for your loved ones. And if you're not that type of person to make, you can always purchase it. Hit your girl up. I got you, all right? Now, you're going to need the Gable box. You're going to need some cardstock. And you're going to need some glue, all right? Spider-Man was printed on the 65-pound cardstock. The black cardstock, it was a 100-pound cardstock that I got from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And then the red cardstock is from Michael's, okay? You're going to use those 3, cut them out, and then you're going to use your glue rolls or your glue dots, and you could get those from Dollar Tree also. I doubled my glue dots on my paper because I wanted that 3D effect. All right, so that's exactly what I did, y'all. Take a look at the video. Keep watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Hit that notifications bell because you're not going to want to miss what your girl got coming up.